next section of the tutorial, we'll talk about how to code the spreadsheet and look at distance while distracted. All right, the first thing I've noticed on my system analysis is that I have inputs, needed calculations, and distance outputs. So I'm going to need B to write in, so I'm going to give myself C as an input column. And we want to draw people's attention to put something in, so we've already decided to use green. Then we have needed calculations. And we need those, so we've already decided to use yellow. And then distance outputs. This is very important, and so I'm going to highlight that with red. Now I do want to center these. So I'm going to go and select center, and that needed calculation got cut off. So I have two options. I can go in and return, or I can do wrap text. I'm going to click inside the cell and command return. We'll do that. That looks a little better. I also want to center these. So I'm going to again go up to here and vertically center them. That's looking good. All right, so let's go to distance while distracted. We want to tell our users that this is that section while distracted. I want that big and bold. That's sort of a heading. And again, it's overrunning my column. So I'm going to go up between B and C. And I'm just going to slide the cell and make it bigger. All right, from our system analysis, we know that we need to input the velocity of the car, equal sign. And we want to input that. So I'm going to color this green to, oh, too dark. Third one up. And the velocity of the car is in meters per second. And I'm doing that in column D. Now this velocity of car is a little too far over, so I want to right justify that so it looks really close. There we go, that's looking better. Now we also need to put in time of distraction from our mini experiments and do the same thing. And that unit is seconds, and again, right justify. And then the last piece of this, the important piece, is the distance the car goes while distracted equals. Oh, again, that's a little long, so I'm going to extend this over. And that is actually a distance output. So that will be a calculation. I'm going to first color it red, and now I need to code it. From my system analysis, I can see this cell is going to equal the velocity of the car up in C4, so I'll just click on it, times the time of distraction, C6, and that is 0 right now because we don't have anything in there, and so that the units on that is meters. Now that looks a little wide to me, so I'm going to try wrapping the text this time. I'm going to go up here, text wrapping, and wrap it. And then also shrink this down a little. Shrink this one down a little. You just don't need them so big. Now they're a little closer. Okay,